Janmanamantri Jnanvan Mang Prabhadat. That is education. The education does not mean to become atheist. There is no God, I am God, you are God, everyone is God. This is not education. This is ajnana. The Mayavadis, they think that they have become one with God. That is not education. That is describing the Srimad Bhagavatam, Janneru Vindakha Vimukta Manim. They are thinking that they have become liberated. But actually, Abhishuddha Buddhaya, their intelligence is not purified. Therefore, falsely claiming, if one is God, then how he has become dog? This much common sense there is no. God is God, dog is dog. This Dvaitavad philosophy is perfect, achinta bhedāve, simultaneously one and different. We have God. Because we have spiritual energy, therefore Krishna is Supreme Spirit. Therefore we are one in quality, but Krishna is the Supreme. Ano Aniyang Mahato, he is Mahato Mahiyang, and we are Ano Aniyang. We are smaller than the smallest. This relationship with Krishna is perfect. If we had been actually God, then why we are fallen? This is not possible. God is God. He is never. God's name is Achyuta. He never falls down. But Jiva, living entities, they are Achyuta. They fall down from the spiritual platform to the material platform. So they may, although we are fallen in the material platform, but because we are spiritual energy, therefore Krishna is describing this living entity as Para-Prakriti. It is Prakriti. Prakriti means to be controlled by the Purusha. This is to be understood. Prakriti is never controlled. The Purusha is controlled. Therefore Krishna said, Aparayam itastu vidhime prakritim para. So, Jiva Bhutang Mahavayo Jayadam Dhajate Jagat. It is Para-Prakriti, superior energy, because it is trying to control over the material energy. Every one of us, we are trying to control over the material energy. The big stone, big hill, that is material energy, but the spiritual energy, a human being, is breaking the hill by dynamite. Therefore it is superior energy. It is also energy, but superior energy, because it can control even the biggest mountain. Nowadays, by scientific advancement, they are making so many tunnels within the big mountain, big ocean, they are making tunnel, they are drilling oil, controlling. Therefore superior energy. But that does not mean they have become God. That is mistake. God is different. God is Krishna, the supreme controller. He is controller of the material energy and the superior energy. This should be the conclusion. Jiva Bhutam Mahavayo Jayadam Dhajati. And because, that will be explained in the next verse, because the superior energy is controlling the material energy, or trying to, not controlling, but trying to control. That is called struggle for existence. Actually, we cannot control the material energy, but we are trying. That endeavor to try to control over this material energy is called struggle for existence. Actually, we shall not be controlled. We shall not be able to control. That is explained. Therefore, in the material world, we are trying to solve one problem, but we are getting new problems. In the Western countries we see it very easily. Man manufactured the horseless carriage, motor car, to go very swiftly. But now this problem is where to park and how to drive the motor car. In America I have seen they are increasing different paths, one after another, one upon another, one upon another. Still the problem is not solved. Still somewhere you will find bottleneck, so many accidents. So we cannot actually solve the material problem. That is not possible. Material energy is so strong. Sisti sthiti pralaya sadhana shakti reka. You cannot control it. Because real controller is Krishna. We are simply trying to control over the material energy, that will never be successful. This is knowledge. Krishna says therefore, Devidhi sagunamai mama maya durataya. Mama maya durataya. It is very difficult. But without Krishna consciousness, forgetting Krishna, we are trying to control over the material energy. That is explained by Vaishnava poets, very simple language. Krishna bhuliya jeev bhogavancha kore pasete mayatare japotiya dhare. As soon as we forget Krishna, the Supreme Controller, and we want to control over the material energy, bhogavancha kore. Bhoga means control. I shall control this market. I shall be the head of the market. Everyone is trying that. So Krishna bhuliya. And he does not know the real controller is Krishna. So Krishna bhuliya jeev bhogavancha kare. This bhogavancha, on account of this bhogavancha, he becomes subjected to the condition offered by this material nature. Therefore it is said, Devidhi sadhanamai mama maya duratya mameva japrapadante mayame kantarante. So in the Bhagavad Gita, everything is explained. Either you study in comparing with the modern scientific and philosophical way, or as you accept it as it is, the conclusion is the same. Krishna is the supreme controller. That will be explained later verses. So the best thing is if we become wise. Wise means Krishna says that this is your position. You have to surrender unto me. You did not surrender unto me, therefore you are suffering so much in this material world. Today is Krishna's birthday. He descends to give us instruction. Paritrana sadhuna vinasaya chu dushkita. Krishna advanced himself. Yada yada hi dharmasya glani bhavati bharata. This is dharmasya glani. What is that? When we forget Krishna and try to become the master of the world. This is dharmasya glani. When you want to become master of Krishna, that is dharmasya glani. We are requesting and training the bewildered living entity who has forgotten Krishna to revive Krishna consciousness so that he may be saved from the onslaught of material nature. This is Krishna consciousness movement. It is the greatest humanitarian welfare activities to the human society. Take it very seriously and be happy. Thank you very much.